So one of the first things we want to do for our lower back mobility routine is we want to work the QL a little bit here. So start by mobilizing this guy by keeping this leg that's on the step nice and straight, okay? And all we're doing is we're focusing on hiking up our hip here, the one that's hanging off, okay? If you need a little something to hold on to, feel free, no big deal. All we, again, really want to focus on is focusing on getting this hip as high as possible and then bringing this guy back down. The thing that we really want to focus on with this exercise is we want to keep this leg that's on the step super straight, okay? Totally straight leg there. And then we're just focusing on moving the hips up and down. So like this, right? 1, yep, 2, 3, 4, okay? And that's it, easy peasy. And we can switch sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Try not to bend this knee too much. Just again, both the legs should be straight and you're really just focusing on hiking up that hip. And that's it, okay? Easy enough.